Elewe Makanumeka, Bikono Tebekumama, Ezebunwe Soike, Chief Barrister, Ezebunwe Soike, the Governor of Rivers State, CEO, the POS Africa, Makaji Mekao, Meke Klezebumano, Note Kela Yedike, Chairman, Ikore Local Government, Sanwe Wano Sike, Ala Sishi Makaji Meka, Nekele Mako, Yedike High Chief, Tom, the Ebo local government chairman of Moha local government, Makaji Meka, Solomon Eke, the local government Tobiabo chairman, Makaji Meka, Honorable Ihu Makaji Meka, father local government. Owe kore Solomon Hamoko Madia. Nihina no baka no akwaka wa ho chinchaka na boka. Nnote bido kela mama eze yesu wiki no do ogiara na likwere na li horo ha goye. Ano cheki kengo melele ameso hona hatano ayinka normunda no nha mele bosukuwa abaka na ayin no buku ya chana no dudu so ka normunda wen ka me anu tulelekwa kenga obule moko ahwele no wele ihunu demero Christmas anu le 2020 eno na boburu badan paka boburu yolu boburu yale udozi na hanobla mele baregelegi mele tiruwi mele mer carnival bido ha ze rumodogo 1 dogo 2 ze rumakunde mohwa demero egelegi demero carnival ze rukpoku ze ogbogoro ze ozoba choba alakahia ogbunabali all over ze go even iba wobo habaka bezeze cheki iba babarugwe demero peace rally Ishopo wabarugwe from Ishopo bido Ishopo ha double the Ishopo Ahames Manaka no do kama Aludo zela peace zela development zela all over the world. There is no peace without development. There is no development without peace. Ahames Manaka chwo ihina no hanhobla ehwana udozi development is ha Ahames baka be palawele wiji be chikpa ha wedi Ozo bụrụ mmanụ alikwere eleviaro udo na alikwere ha goye ọza ha n'ụlọ udo ụmụ kalagbara eleviaro cortism n'ogbu bibado shinere bado mekwele stop cortism ọkọba alikwere kovuru cortism n'ogbu bado no beheaded ma jikwata jaye n'ogbu bado jaye na beheaded bado ndairu igenugo onye mesu nnọta gweme ohore ka n'ọtụnụ all the OSPAC commanders all the OSPAC chairman, all the community chairman, all over the Kore land, Maka Numeka. Nzumo Okora Hanu no to but Maka Chineke Ogozani, all the OSPAC commander, all the CDC chairman, all the youth chairman in the Kore land. Omileleme, no, Ikore goye, there is peace. Oza hinu beheading, Oza hinu goburubado. Jayene me courtesan na the Kore, Jamwe Kore ne me courtesan. What Jekwakahi, you made him courtesan for more than 10-20 years. What is your gain? Nda he gain go. Nda profit. Ina ya can go blabam no zumba ya can go lay ajikwa yahi ngwa menem mbama haka 10 years 5 years kairu wa gain go. Nda what is your gain? Nda he gain go. Katonum he gain go. Check your room kalabare lele ma do baba na bia hazurali 10 million 7 million check it go the whole room ikure ne courtesan. Check your Keleke Biali 7 million sale, also plot. Ohames or no, Ihona Kabade are deeper when or 1 million. Jayes 40 years, 50 years in a make courtesan. A canon courtesan will make by him. Check it call, I can get me my body label. Ye labiri is 40 something years. Banak and about to go out from office, just hide in the street, not an about just at. What is your profit? What have you benefited? Ndairu bade le bugu the whole bade bugu obola no courtesan no ele OSPAC ka jare be obuya udo na le kore by na ibazin no rimo ha cheki nwo Chineke mu nnem kwaran kare ko no rimo ha je na agwo wu ji na kre ku ko o is no rimo shin. You understand I'm telling you? I'm a smaka no udo Chineke kwanu oburu me no zere kwemume ihi na no Ohames Meneke la yetumbon Samuel Wanosike is a man. They are one of the initiators of this peace and they may enjoy today in Rivers State. no who some social media bloggers banaka no Emoha local government chairman noza hayano no development Maraka na also my brothers oza development cargo peace the high chief have really tried for peace Nazarene Emoha check ibido mgbeto ze Rumakunde from Rumakunde ze Odohobakre from Odohobakre ze Rumoro from Rumoro ze Okpororo za high all over ze Ibabe ze Zembom beken na Barugwe neighbor Ikanoza ha ye chairman Emoha chairman have done so much. Obuna abono obu ha na yega yen ya ikwa bezere yega. Ohamus manaka oge mbom cheke oge mbom ngazi aso ya goso ya ha bidoga ha neze beach ndele beach abido ha zogbodo shokpo beach abido ha ze odo ha Ogbakre beach abido ha neze Romolu mene mgboda ya beach abido ha neze Ogbogoro beach neze beach ka na agagharị bido ha ze alụ egelega alụ because of udozi bokenga gbugbu beheading biaro ha dum na lekwere kemenu ha kan dum rumikwere zega no huta azmaneze ohamezi hụrụ omeneba ka na rumikwere zman olahi bazman olahi because rumikwere zman huntali ha ma huta cheki rumu alụ eleri ele gbogbu jina ale akpọ ohamezu rumu kibrazma ma helikam yalo kagano elalo kagano ma akpọ hu ma alụ wesi wejolu lolu wejolu all three negelege by time ine zegelege na alụ yodo ha Ogbakre na bịa yeru moro na bịa yobu na bali na bịa yeru kpọkụ na bịa yeru mo prikon na bịa yelele all the kwerela na bịa egelege na alụ from there bono hụrụ malụ bono lụta but kinga cortism gbugbu hu ya badele na olu ha badele na okwu ha ụka ọzọ olu ha nwa alụ mbom cheki abidogo ha neze Amoha odo ha Amoha beach neze zelekru ze me beach ahames manaka the politicians Chineke gozi Chief Sergeant Awose obe a grassroots politician this Christmas o host to competition Rumutakri ball obia most of the politicians imene izenu Port Harcourt zowuru ine political Port Harcourt politics during election hajaya village bobukolelezunu village yele yemeni election who he help is there no Port Harcourt native starch you don't care on how to develop ames obro lezuru kwemme biko yerishi states ezo men higher in that one the POS Africa eze honorable barrister Yezo Wike maka jimeka ibu dimpa bejine zemba ogriya omer higher in that biko all the local government chairman security outfit ka begworuba kwado ihe na anu ba agba ka na ọzọ ọgwụ agwụ abado unu daro maso wuri man odo aka because most of them are family men so za ha be na enwe aba ga na erize wuri by then orala mahi ohames menekela yenule eda ospak 1 ikwere 1 Tony Oriji at his age ohwiaro na make sure mo dozere monoku si ma abacha achichi si ma abacha achi as a young boy zen Ogbogoro iya hu yebo no suku azbike alias Ocean ihe na baka no body amamma na oro na ohwe dereziri bakre broken mbeke ka charity begins at home yanso na bidonu from oro wuri boro youth chairman from youth chairman to community chairman from community chairman to Akpo youth chairman at large and you can see the peace they are enjoying at Akpo Kingdom. You must sacrifice as a leader. Iyogu yake kezi na akpanyega. Ihi na no yetule ọtụtụ ya. Ohamesu manaka biko ali hụrụ ha. Rumi hụrụ ha ibem. Anu bika ngoro courtesan se gbanaghị. Angoro lost park ka secretary fit ka aji aka jishiri ki ihi na no ayem ka ye na agwa nwanje okwu ya ma ya na ada nne nware seguriki. Jaye na aka anu no security kan beneme abasa balata na kile jaizo wuli. Jaye ogbuna bale rume prikom elele mo jaka no nha mene no Emoha o rukpoku o iguruta noza ha gbashego ya maka na ọ ga-agbashi ihe na ha wochichi na obonshi chihoma ze ma izbo ogbu a moja ya ta mkpocha ọ ga-agbashi bra garibule pa bezin 10,000 ihona no gbashilanje gari bu 5,000 is man ozugbo hiali and as nwe hụrụ ha zanga yezeze ri gari elele ozanga yezeze ri gari bịa gari hụrụ ha nuba gbarụrụ ugwe bido ha do ogbodo ishokpo be ele ovogo ele gruta ele rukpokwu ele donu odogu 1 odogu 2 betri owi odo hemohwe ogbakiri all corner iba bagbarụrụ ugwe n'iba so bia peace yele emeli hakam. So most of the social media bloggers Nokunu, Ikure local government chairman have not done anything. No, Emohwa local government chairman have not done anything. My brother, you a fool. Ihinano, ye maha. Security. So these 2 local governments. Why am I emphasizing on these 2 local governments? Because they are the basket of Ikure land, the basket of Rivers State. Faga Nwebako. So we depend on them. And you know how brutal those places. No, this year 2020, no babaregelegi, all corner, all round of Ikure land. No be mer carnival, betri wi, ibule oze iburi bama, oze ibari vaka. Ekano security bomber. Ahames manaka majikwate ja ye kanu nwa bụ yerishi courtesan, nwa bụ number 1 courtesan, nwa bụ kaka, nwa bụ executioner emeritus. Jikwa ka ahi nna challenge all Ikure land goyele obu na eme courtesan. Izogu hiali 5 of them weke ka nwa zogo, one weke hiali 7-8 million zotali. Ha ka bia our life, we have norms and value. Ihuron ha bo baro iba. Nwe hụrụ ha ibe omeme ọ bụ rumu kalabari viara ndele obu viara tosala nya beke nere mono na-eme bunkri n'ọzọ ali jaizi no streets at 40 years 50 years naka who goes you ile based in office naka get out from office jazz naka jazz you maka numeka